Good evening, Sureka. Please tell me
Yes,
about
sir. Good
yourself.
evening, sir.
Tell me about
Sir,
yourself.
yes, sir. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Sureka. I am from Cuddapah, Andhra Pradesh. I have completed a Master of Technology from JNT Kakinada and B.Tech from JNT Anandapur, and I have completed postgraduate diploma in Banking and Finance from Manipal. After that, I have joined in IDBI as a credit maker, credit analyst in Greens Road, Chennai. Presently, I am working in IDBI Bank as a credit officer. I'm having 4 years of experience.
Excellent. So you are in a branch or in a sanctioning office?
Sanctioning officer, that is processing
Process.
center.
Very good. So what are the points you look into while processing a credit proposal? So which type of proposals do you get? Do you get term loan or working capital? And tell about that.
Yes, sir. Here we are doing MSME advances. Mainly, we will process for working capital and term loan. And when we will receive any proposal, like first we will see all the documents like borrower profile and the borrower civil report, and then IT return. Along with that, whether CA has signed these documents according to our bank guidelines. Accordingly, then we will proceed the same. If everything is in order, like borrower civil reports are okay, and then the financials are authenticable, and then we will proceed, and based on that we will do the assessment. If he is coming for working capital like cash credit or overdraft, based on that we will do the assessment. Then term loan means based on requirement we will do the same according to our bank guidelines.
Good. So what is the specific job role you are playing?
Credit analysis only, sir.
Can you tell me the maximum contribution you have given, or which is the largest proposal you have gone through?
So first, recently I have received one proposal. There, 4 proprietorship firms are enjoying limit with our bank, and now they are going to merge into partnership firm, and that around 10.5 crore. Recently, in December 2022, they have merged in the partnership firm, and they have requested to subsume all these limits. Now I am working on this proposal, and earlier also I worked 15 crore proposal.
Is the account in order? Is the account
Yes,
is
sir.
a standard
Yes,
asset?
sir.
Yeah, good.
Whatever till now I have processed, the accounts are in standard only, sir, till now.
Very good. Who is the sanctioning authority for advances in your bank? At your office
For
itself,
this one,
or it will go to the higher authorities?
it is depend on the exposure. If it is only, if it is below 1 crore, single exposure is below 1 crore, and if combined of group exposure is 2 crore, then scale 3 officer is having power. Then 2 crore single exposure and group exposure is 4 crore. Then scale 4 officer is having power. Both are individual. Then single exposure 3 crore and group exposure 6 crore means GM. That means scale 5 officer. Then beyond 3 crore, all will be go to regional level committee and then zonal level committees. Present this 10.5 crore is I'm doing for zonal level committee, sir.
Good. Can you tell me about the different strategies adopted for working capital analysis?
There are 2 different methodologies. One is up to 5 crore. If customer asks limit, then we will go to this turnover method recommended by a Nayak committee. And other than this, maximum MPBS method also is there. That is by Tandon committee method.
You have to explain.
Turnover method means based on the turnover. Now customer has given IT returns for provisionals for 2023. Based on that, if he is submitting projected balance sheet for 2024, then 20% of that annual turnover we will give the limit. Like that, in maximum permissible banking finance may, we will consider a total current asset, and then we will take the total outside liabilities other than the bank borrowing, and the working capital limit will be, working capital gap will be arrived from total current assets minus outside current liabilities other than bank borrowing. Then we can check the minimum stipulated net working capital. Then based on that, which will be the lower of this working capital limit and then this net working capital, then based on that we will finance.
Did you study JAIAB, CAIAB?
Yes, sir. JAIB I completed in 2019. CAIB I completed in 2022.
Excellent. Good. Have you ever
you.
been branch manager?
Not yet, sir. I first I got through IDBI Manpal Banking. I got direct posting to this credit processing center. Since 4 years, I am working in the same department only, sir.
That's now, are
But
you?
I visited the client location according to our bank guidelines. Up to 3 crore, if branch manager or branch asset officer, their visit reports are sufficient. But beyond that 3 crore exposure, credit processing maker, whoever is processing, that person has to visit along with my supervisor. So we went all those visits.
No, but I am asking, you are supposing I post you as branch manager, how will you manage that branch? Do you have experience in handling, say, people? Do you have experience in handling people, regulating the work and all that? Or you must be given separate training for that?
I am having knowledge on this main MSME advances, and also some knowledge on structural reside SRA also. Apart from that, then I am having some knowledge on other normal operations, whatever bank core operations and all. I'm having confidence. If I was posted in branch manager, I can able to handle, and I am interested to do in that role also.
What is the job role of a branch manager?
Job role of branch manager is,
okay, please tell me
yes, sir.
job role of a branch manager. You prepare on that particular point. You have to prepare on that. Now tell me, you are only knowing working capital proposals. What about term loan? Do you have any experience of processing term loan? What is the extra formalities to be observed in the case of term loan?
Term loan also we have processed. I have processed, sir. Term loan is main. We are giving for assets created out of bank finance, means towards purchase of any machinery, towards acquiring of any business premises, towards any acquiring of fixed assets. When we are giving term loan, first we need to see DSCR, whether customer is able to service the interest along with the repayment, and along with that we need to check whether for how many years he is asking, that entire year average DSCR whether it is coming. Along with that we need to check whether land and capital and also labor and other feasibility related to this project is satisfactory or not, and the cash flows we need to check. Based on that only we need to check the term loan assessment, sir.
How do you think you are suitable for this post?
As I have working 4 years in the credit analysis background only, and this post is regarding the credit officer. And also I have completed JAB and CAB. So I'm thinking that I am eligible for this job, and I want growth in my career also, as I am scale 1 officer in IDBI bank, and I have applied for scale 2 credit officer in Central Bank of India.
Yeah. Now, will you not get promotion in your own bank?
Yes, sir, I will get, but I have to wait for 1 year.
Is it not worth waiting for 1 more year so that you have all the responsibilities, credits that your company has recognized instead of going to a new place?
Yes, sir, I can wait for that also. Meanwhile, I am taking the
No,
opportunity to
no,
place in.
but this job involves posting throughout the country. Will you take a posting in Delhi, Bombay, Kolkata?
Yes, sir. I am able to take the posting anywhere in India,
Acha,
but I am having confident that I will get posting near Chennai.
good. What is your you are married?
Yes, sir. I am married and having one 2-year-old kid, and my husband is working in Southern Railways in Chennai.
Very good. That is right. Good. That is nice.
Yes, sir.
Now, what do you understand by fictitious profit?
Fictitious profit, I heard, but present I am not
What
able to
is
recollect. But
what
after
is
finishing this, definitely I will
what
check,
is
sir.
leased rent discounting?
Leased rent discounting.
I have given you all these questions in the website,
Drive.
in the drive itself. Why have you not gone through this?
Half of the questions I have seen, sir, but
These are all on top only. What is LEI? Is it applicable to above 1 crore limit borrowers or any specific criteria? What is
legal identification, sir.
legal entity identifier? LEI, please note it.
Yes, sir. One
What
second.
is what is TEV study?
I will go through these questions, sir, definitely.
Yeah, I am showing you these questions. It has been
Yes, sir.
given to you.
Yes, sir.
See, this is the paper. This is there in bank promotion interview questions. Indian Bank Credit Officer. These are the questions they have asked.
Yes,
Then,
sir.
then,
TEV.
then, like so many questions. Then, coming to central bank. Tell me about MSME. What do you know about MSME?
MSME is micro, small, medium enterprises. If investment in plant and machinery is up to 1 crore and the turnover is up to 5 crore, we can call it as micro. Investment in plant and machinery is 5 crore and the turnover is 50 crore. It is small. Then investment in plant and machinery is 50 crore and turnover is 250 crore, called it as small enterprises.
No. Up to 250 crore, it is called
Medium, sir.
medium. You told wrongly. Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Medium. Micro, small, medium, sir.
Yeah. Can you explain about Kisan credit card?
Kisan credit card.
How will
Sir,
you
mainly
achieve? How will you achieve 1 crore sales targets?
how will you achieve pro sales target?
Okay. How will you
I will read all these questions, sir.
what is solvency ratio?
Solvency ratio is nothing but interest coverage ratio and the debt service coverage ratio. interest coverage ratio is nothing but ability of borrower to pay to meet its interest obligation, and debt service coverage ratio is nothing but when we have given any term loan, the capacity of the borrower to service the interest as well as the repayment of installment to installments.
What do you understand by debtor velocity ratio?
Debtor velocity ratio, sir, is it similar to debtor turnover ratio?
Yeah, same.
Yes, sir. Debtor turnover ratio is nothing but how the borrower can how the borrower is getting when he is giving on credit basis to its buyers, whether he is able to collect that receivables on time, and also if it is less, then he can the liquidity of the borrower will be good or the company will be good, and he can able to manage the business.
Okay, can you tell me the different types of banks and their functions?
Main scheduled commercial banks and regional rural banks and small finance banks and cooperative banks, and scheduled commercial banks will be having all type of operations like core lending along with core deposits also. Then
Good.
regional rural banks will be constrained to only within their district.
Good. Can you tell me tell me something about RBI?
It is the apex banking institution in India, and it is like regulating all the banks, whatever the banks in India, and time to time it gives the guidelines, and also it makes the banks to uh, maintain the good asset quality by giving such some direction, and also it gives this repo rate, reverse repo rate, time to time by monthly. So it is main, sir. I will read about RBI. There are more. I am unable to recollect. Recently, I didn't read, but I will read, sir.
What is money laundering?
Money laundering is nothing but money diverting from India to other countries without telling the specific performance or actual purpose. So from when we have given any loan to one customer, and that customer is not using this money for that purpose we have bank has given, and
Wrong.
he is diverting to
No, this is wrong. You please see the correct definition. This is not correct. Tell me,
yes, sir.
what is SURFACE section 13(2) and 4? Please prepare for all these things.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and then go confidently. You will be able to succeed.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I am not posting this online. Don't worry. I will not post this video. If you want, I can send it to you only after post.
Yes, sir. Please.
Thank you.
Please.
Best
Thank
wishes.
you very much.
You must read something more. Prepare kar dijiye. Take leave for 1 or 2 days. Prepare. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.